Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's been a minute. It's been a long minute. I have not seen or talked to you in a very long time, and I have a list here of all the things I want to talk about because I have some things to update you on personal life and crochet community stuff, some awesome things that are happening in the crochet community, and so I wanted to hop on here, film a video that I haven't done in so long, and I miss you guys so much. It's just been crazy over here at my household and in the YARNutopia headquarters. So I'll just update you right now. Thank you all for joining me today and listening to me. But a month ago, actually on March 10th, so a month and 2 days ago, I had to get a surgery. It wasn't super major, like it was laparoscopic, so it wasn't like super invasive. But I had a major hernia after I had Nasir, my son. After I had him, I had a major hernia happen, and I was living with it for almost 2 years, and it was just about time that it was getting to be super uncomfortable and, interfering with my quality of life and my day-to-day living. So we scheduled the surgery, and I am now past it, about a little over 4 weeks past my surgery, and I'm feeling great. I'm like fully recovered. It's wonderful. Like, I feel like a whole new person. It's crazy how a hernia can really affect your life. And yeah, I'm really glad that they fixed it. So I'm doing so much better. And when I had surgery, my husband, Nate, took 2 weeks off of work, so he was able to help me with Nasir, our son. And so that's been a lot too. That's why I haven't really put out any tutorials, because Nasir takes up all my time. Plus I was recovering, but Nasir takes up all my time. Let's be real. Parenthood is a full-time job in itself, and we do not do childcare because I'm home all day, working from home, doing my thing here, and taking care of him. And he is special needs, so we have him in therapy every week, so it's a lot on our plate. But he is growing and doing so fabulously and progressing so quickly now with therapy in our hands. We have so many more resources to help him excel and get his language on point, because he was quite delayed in his language skills and communication and everything. So he's doing so much better now, though. Oh my god, he's so cute. If you follow me on Snapchat, I'm YARNutopia on Snapchat. Just go follow me because I post all the things about Nasir on there. He is so adorable. And he's growing. He is going to be 2 years old in June. I have a 2-year-old, you guys. Okay, so I was like thinking about it, that what are all the things a 2-year-old does? Nasir has been taking off his diaper and running around naked everywhere. Any chance he gets, he rips his diaper off. He rips all of his clothes off. Secondly, he has crawled out of his crib at any point, anytime that he can get a chance. And let me shut my volume down. Sorry, my computer is here because I'm going to talk about something on the computer pretty quick. But anyway, Nasir has climbed out of his crib on numerous occasions, so we ended up transferring him to a toddler bed with just a rail so he can get in and out easier without hurting himself. And that's been a struggle as well, because all he wants to do is climb out of bed and then run around the house playing games. And I'm over here like, go to sleep, child. But it's an adventure. It's a learning curve, and I am exhausted, but I'm sleeping when Nasir sleeps. They always say sleep when your baby sleeps, because I'm trying to, and when he sleeps, I have the time, to do work or to crochet or to do all the things that I am not able to do when he is awake. So it's very difficult for me to sleep when he sleeps, but I try to rest at least and like do work on my computer, on my phone, that I'm not doing a whole lot of brain work or something. So there's that. We are very busy over here. But I did get a chance after surgery. I had some time to recover, and I was able to crochet in bed while I was recovering, and I made this adorable dress, baby dress. Okay, so I don't have the pattern written yet, but I was able to figure out like the number of a neckline and like how to increase a neckline and make armholes and literally make a dress like this in one piece without having to make a top and then a bottom and sew it together, or make panels and then sew anything. It's just literally one dress, one piece. It's very similar to that dress I shared years back, the baby dress with a bow. It's very similar to that, but this one is a little larger. This one is actually, it fits my niece, who is also 2 years old. So, oh, there's my crochet hook. Got it caught. But yeah, it's got this cute little skirt that's like A-line, so it falls nicely down with like little pleats, and then and it's kind of like a shell type of pattern, so we work it upside down like this, like from the top down, so you can see the double crochet stitching, and they're like 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and it's very simple. It's so simple of a pattern. So I do not have a tutorial for this yet, and this is just fresh off my hook. I was just playing around with some yarn from Lion brand yarn, actually. It's called True Boo. It's a bamboo, like a bamboo mix. I don't know what the other mix is, but I used it all in this pattern that I had. So, and I used 2 strands of yarn at the same time because this True Boo yarn is quite thin. It's like a little bit lacy almost. So I used 2 strands at the same time. It is a little bit of a heavier type of dress, but not too heavy where it's going to weigh the baby down. And if you use a smaller crochet hook, it can be smaller for a little infant. But I don't have stitch counts. I only have the stitch counts I wrote down for this size, which I'm hoping, all you guys know, it takes time and work and energy to write a pattern, design something, and share it all for you guys for free. So give me a little bit of time, but I will have this out, and I'll try to get a tutorial made in video format, because I know a lot of you, you know, do really well with the video tutorial assisting with the written patterns. So I'll try to get that out as soon as I can. But one of my members of my YARNutopia World Facebook group suggested that I make a skirt, like a boho style, lacy, adult-sized skirt. So in the picture she had sent me, it had like, they looked like mandalas, like little mini mandalas, or like granny square. I want to say granny squares, but they weren't like the traditional granny square. They were like flowers in a circle turned into a square. I don't know how to explain it, but I came up with my own design. And let me stretch this out. I did not block this yet. This is still on the ball of yarn. And this yarn is actually called Circulo. I don't know if you guys heard of Circulo. New yarn company. They sent me this fabulous cotton yarn. This is like a natural color, but I have different colored yarns. But Circulo, find them on Instagram. This is the start of it. So as you can see, it's very lacy, very open. I will have to line the skirt with fabric, a light fabric, or wear a skirt underneath or something. But this is the start of what I came up with. And I feel like this is going to be like pineapples, you know, like the pineapple stitch. I have the pom-poms and pineapples poncho, which has pineapples on it as well, and I just like how it turns out. So I'm obviously not, I'm only halfway done with this one, but you can see the pineapple shape is taking form here in the middle and on each side of this square that I'm creating. So I'm making this square. It's gonna be big, like 12-inch squares, and then I'm gonna make a bunch and like sew them around so they fit around my hips. Then I'm going to do just plain design going down, and then do another round of these squares at the bottom and then go down lacy. So I have this vision in my head. I hope it comes out the way I envision and how I want it to look, and it turns out to be a super fashionable fashion piece for the summer, because I absolutely love wearing dresses and skirts in the summer and at the beach, and the beach has been calling my name. We can't go because of the pandemic, but hopefully soon. When it warms up over here, it's still pretty chilly in Wisconsin. I'm still wearing a sweatshirt. It's like 50 degrees here and kind of gloomy, but we will have a good summer, and I'm excited for all the sunshine that we will get. So those are the patterns on my hook right now. This dress is just finished, and I have a few embellishments I also want to add, like here, at this like open lace part, I want to add a ribbon, like weave it through to have like a cinched waist. And then I was thinking of adding a small flower up on the shoulder or like lapel area right here. And then I was thinking of adding a headband to match. So I've got all kinds of plans. Let's see if I can make it happen. And then share their tutorials with all of you. And I just have to say, before moving on to the next part here, what I want to talk about is I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who has messaged me, emailed me, commented, wishing me well on my surgery and on my recovery. I am doing so much better, and I cannot wait to get these designs back out to you. I just took a long time off and I'm ready to hit the ground running and share more fabulous designs. There are some amazing designers out there though. So now into the last segment of this video. If you made it this long, thank you for being here. I have to share with you, I noticed a lot of people sharing baby photos, whether you are a new grandparent, aunt, uncle, mom, dad. Congratulations to all the babies. And Nikki from Nikki's Homemade Crafts, my friend Nikki, you all know her, she is hosting a Baby's Bundle of Joy crochet pattern super bundle for all of you. So, you know, I've promoted these bundles in the past. They are so worth the money because in this specific bundle, you're getting 50 crochet patterns, okay, from over 40 designers, and I'm included as one of the designers in this bundle. And I shared 2 patterns in this bundle. One pattern is a baby bonnet, which is so adorable. And then the second pattern is my Wiggles and Giggles baby blanket. And that is absolutely Nasir's favorite blanket that I've ever made. It's so fabulous and it's easy. It's a super simple crochet pattern, and I have tutorials, video tutorials to go along with them. So this pattern bundle is it's a digital ebook PDF file. Okay, so you purchase this. I'll put the link in the description of this video. I'll be sharing it all week because it's a 5-day availability. The countdown is on the website. If you click that link on the very top, there's a countdown of how many days are left, and it ends April 16th at midnight Pacific time. Okay, so I think that's like 2 a.m. Central time on the 17th. So you'll have time. I'm filming this on Monday. So it started today and it's ending on Friday on April 16th, okay, at night. So you have this whole week to get it, and it's only $19. You're saving over $200 with this bundle. It's an ebook, so nothing's going to be shipped to you. It's just in your phone, your computer, your tablet. Once you purchase it, it'll give you an automatic download link to the email that you sign up with, like pay with or whatever. So in the checkout, it'll send in a link to that email. You click that link, download all the patterns. And it's one hot ebook. It's so fabulous. I'm looking at it on my computer down here. If you see me staring down, it's because I'm looking at my computer. So yes, it's available for 5 days. It's over 90% off. If you go and scroll down, just scroll all the way down, you'll see the list of all, like a table of contents of all the patterns and their pictures. Sorry, I got cut off. Anyway, you'll see the pictures and then all the names of the designers who are contributing to this bundle. And then you'll see the regular price of what each pattern normally would cost. Okay, so if you did not get this bundle and you wanted to just buy one pattern here or there on their Ravelry or Etsy shops, you should actually just check out which ones you love, add them up. Even if you like 4 of these patterns, just buy the whole bundle, because you're getting 50 crochet patterns for basically the price of 4 regular patterns. And these patterns are like super high-end fashionable pieces. There's blankets, there's amigurumis, there's cute bunnies, there's butterflies. Oh, and these babies' pictures are so cute. Oh my gosh. So there's a bunch of blankets. Oh, booties, lots of slippers and booties for the babies. There's a really cute mammoth, like such a clever idea, you know, just really cute stuff. Layette sets, there's bonnets, there's onesies, there's blankets. I said, oh my gosh, so cute. Is that a teddy bear? Oh my gosh. There's rattles. There's just everything for baby. Anything and everything you can think of for a baby, it's in this bundle. There's a lot of blankets. And you know what? Those blankets, I love that are like repeats, like repeat patterns, because then it's kind of mindless and you can work on it for days. And there's a lot of loveys on here. And I think the cool thing about a lovey is that if you wanted to put, like there's a kitty cat lovey on here. If you put a little rattle inside of the kitty's head, it could be like a rattle lovey, which would be really cute too. So I mean, there's so many, I mean, endless patterns for you to make for all the babies in your life. Or if you have an Etsy shop yourself, you can sell these finished products, which is awesome too. So you should get the crochet pattern bundle, this baby's bundle of joy, and toddlers too. There's stuff for toddlers in there. And get that before Friday ends. And there's 50 crochet patterns designed by over 40 designers who are actually very well known. There's some well-known ones, and then there's also new crochet designers that I've never even heard of that are up and coming, that are doing so well. Support these designers. They're so wonderful. But some well-known designers that I saw in the list there's Brianna K., Ambassador Crochet, Nikki's Homemade Crafts, she's the one hosting this. Blackstone Designs I know of. I am a super fan of Cozy Crochet Designs. I mean, Cozy Crochet Creations, whatever. Cozy Creative Crochets, that's who she is. I'm like, she's just amazing. She makes like adult clothing, which is like a super, like, I love that. I love that so much. So you should check her out on Instagram, actually. It's Cozy Creative Crochets. She's so fabulous. Also, I'm a super fan of MJ's Off the Hook Designs. She has some really good designs on here too. So she's in this bundle too. So there's some really awesome designers in here. And I hope that you check them all out and support them all. I'll be sending out a newsletter to everybody as well. So if you haven't signed up for my newsletter, go to yarnutopia.com/newsletter and sign up. So you can get the newsletter, and then I'll send you the links, and you can get all the information there as well. But yeah, that's really everything I wanted to talk about today. I hope that you are all doing wonderfully, and I can't wait to be back and working. And I'm sitting on the floor right now because I actually moved my office. So I'll probably end up taking pictures and sending you guys my new office space. We moved my bedroom downstairs because after surgery I couldn't take steps. So we are now downstairs in our bedroom, but now our old bedroom that was upstairs is now going to be my office. So I can't wait to set this place up and have my studio back and make some tutorials. But I will stop there. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, great rest of your week. I'll probably pop in on Wednesday and see what's up. And until then, happy hooking!